Samsung Galaxy S6 Edge Plus. How to solve this issue? It's stuck on the logo. Now in this video I will give you two methods that hopefully will solve your issue. Now the first method is you need to press the power button and then volume down button, and you need to keep pressing both buttons until you see the black screen. As you can see, that means we are doing force restart, so it will shut down and again turn on. So hopefully it will solve your issue. But in case it doesn't solve your issue, now what is our next second method? Now our second method is you need to press power button, volume down button, and when you see black screen, you need to press volume up button, power button and home button, together 3 buttons, and we are in the recovery mode. Now here also you don't need to make directly factory reset. We have another method to do. Now if you see here, wipe cache partition, so you need to click on that, click on yes, and after that again you need to come wipe cache partition, click on yes, and then come here on the wipe data factory reset, click on that, hit yes. Now with this method, if you have an email address, you don't know the password, it will remove your email lock also. So after that just simply reboot your system and you are done. So that's all for now. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe our channel Dr. Mo.